The ITFD Pool Volleyball Set brings excitement to both day and night games with its glow-in-the-dark feature, including 2 luminous balls and a waterproof LED light string. This volleyball net is versatile, with an adjustable length from 15 feet to 32 feet, making it suitable for a variety of pool sizes while maintaining a professional-grade tension. A standout feature is the stability offered by the water-filled bases, which can hold up to 30 liters each, ensuring the net remains secure during intense matches. Constructed with durable materials such as tear-resistant PE and reinforced with fiberglass, this set is designed to withstand the elements for long-lasting enjoyment. Assembly is a breeze thanks to the detailed instructions, allowing you to quickly set up and enjoy energizing games with family and friends. With a comprehensive package including everything from side tube brackets to a storage bag, this set ensures you have all you need for endless summer fun.